Okay, darn it, it was on camera. So I got a couple photos, but not what I recorded. So I just saw a seal, and it was right over here in this cove, and then it headed out towards these rocks. So hopefully I can catch it again. Looked like it was a female. That, I would call that Pelican Rock. It probably has another name. The last time I saw the seal was right here by these rocks. So I'm going to try not to get wet. The camera does not have its waterproofing on. It's actually an open case that it's in right now. But the seal was right here just a minute ago. Less than a minute ago, maybe. See if it comes up again. I can't see it going through the rocks, so it either went out around the rocks or it's still staying right in this area. Hopefully, it's just down there feeding. Either way, we're getting some good wave therapy here. Nice, nice wave. Darn, I wish I had been down here on the beach when it was here. Could have been much closer to it. The fog is just pouring in. So it's really too cold for too many people out here. You see there's like one other guy on this whole section of beach, one seagull. Oh. Oh, if those are sandpipers or kingfishers or killdeers. I wonder if I can get out to these rocks without getting wet. What are the chances? Yeah, maybe if I had a pair of tennis shoes on, but my flip-flops are going to get caught if I try running. I'm going to go for it. If I get really wet, everyone can laugh. Well, I'm making it, and I haven't gotten too wet yet. Nice little sea anemone in the bottom of this pool and some mussels. Nice. There's a little birdie friend over here who didn't like me approaching it. Now hopefully that seal pops up again. It was right here. Hopefully Lisa's not up there freaking out. That's a nice looking wave forming right here. Is it gonna break? Is it gonna crest and break? Just past my vision. So I am right on top of where I saw the seal. It was right here. It was right in this area here. Don't see it at all now. Got a good view of the pelicans though. And the lone pelican, I wonder what he did to get put in the doghouse. I'm gonna watch it that the tide doesn't come in. And it looks like it is. I'm gonna get wet on my way back. Look at this. That's where I walked just a minute ago and it was barely wet. And now I'm gonna have to wade through water to get back. This was kind of poor timing on my part. But I gotta see sea anemones and I gotta try to get close to a, yep, these waves are getting bigger and the tide is coming in, so I'm gonna have to wade back through water. Was it worth it? We'll find out in a minute. Here I go. Not too bad. Only about 4 inches of water. Good thing I brought a towel. It's a good thing I didn't stay out there much longer. Yeah, it's not too bad. That's pretty much the same as it was when I went out there. Look at that wave. All right, I'm gonna head back up. Nice wave here. Nice wave. Look at that beautiful wave. Awesome sound. Looks like some little bobbies left her beach shoes behind. So this is Pescadero, the southernmost end of Pescadero Beach. And unfortunately, I did not get down there in time when I saw that seal. Would have been nice to get a close-up of him or her. But we can still enjoy the waves and the seabirds. All right, that's it from Pescadero Beach. Ride her out.